very warm and fresh good morning to all of you. How's you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Okay everyone, so now we will today start our session with a beautiful thought. If you focus on results, you will never change. If you focus on change, you will get results. इसका मतलब है कि आप अगर अपने रिजल्ट्स पे ध्यान दोगे तो आप कभी चेंज नहीं हो पाओगे, लेकिन आप अपने ड्रीम्स के हिसाब से अपने आप को चेंज करोगे तो आपको हमेशा रिजल्ट्स मिलेंगे. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, इफ़ यू फोकस ऑन योर रिजल्ट्स, यदि आप अपने रिजल्ट्स पे फोकस करोगे तो आप कभी नहीं बदल पाओगे. और अगर आप अपने आप को अपने ड्रीम्स के लिए चेंज कर लोगे, अपने गोल के लिए चेंज कर लोगे तो आपको हमेशा रिजल्ट्स मिलेंगे. Who thought this thought is written by whom? This thought is written by Jack Dixon. Okay everyone, I hope you understood. Okay, now we will go through an activity. Okay, what's your today's activity? How many members are there in a team? What you have to do in this, you have to write, search from the internet or surf from the internet that how many members are there in a team of hockey, basketball, cricket and football. Okay, you have to search and write here. Okay, how many members are there in a team of these games. Understood everyone? You have to complete this activity. Okay, now we will move ahead. As you all know, we have completed the quiz zone in the previous lecture. Now we will move towards the writing zone. Okay everyone? Okay, see. Just see, and now I will let you explain these question and answers. Okay, just see. What was result of Battle of Kalinga? यानी जो कलिंगा का जो बैटल हुआ था उसके क्या क्या रिजल्ट्स थे. द बैटल ऑफ कलिंगा चेंज द लाइफ ऑफ अशोका. उससे बैटल ऑफ कलिंगा से क्या हुआ था, अशोका की लाइफ चेंज हो गई थी. ही वॉज डीपली मूव्ड बाय किलिंग ऑफ थाउजेंड्स ऑफ मैन. दैट मीन्स जब बैटल ऑफ कलिंगा हुआ था तो उसमें बहुत सारे जनों की डेथ हो गई थी. बहुत सारे जने मर गए थे, घायल हो गए थे. तो उससे क्या हुआ था, अशोका को बिल्कुल भी अच्छा फील नहीं हुआ था. वो बहुत ही गिल्टी फील कर रहा था. तो देन ही डिसाइडेड टू गिव अप वायलेंस एंड बिकम द फॉलोअर ऑफ बुद्धा. सो देन ही आफ्टर दैट ही डिसाइडेड दैट ही विल लीव द वायलेंस एंड preach non-violence in his life, and he became the follower of the Buddha. He started welfare works for the people and animals. फिर उसने वायलेंस छोड़ दिया और उसने लोगों की भलाई यानी उनका वेलफेयर करना और एनिमल्स का वेलफेयर करना स्टार्ट किया था. ओके, आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस क्वेश्चन. सो नाउ लेट्स मूव टूवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Who was Akbar? Name one of his minister. Akbar was a Mughal emperor famous for his wisdom and administration. Akbar, who was Akbar? He was an Mughal emperor and he is known for, or means he is famous for his wisdom. Wisdom यानी चतुराई. He is famous for his wisdom and administration. He had many ministers to carry out his administration. मतलब उसका काम संभालने के लिए उसके किंगडम में बहुत सारे मिनिस्टर्स थे. बट एक मिनिस्टर बीरबल वॉज द मोस्ट फेमस ऑफ ऑल. यानी जो बीरबल था वो उसके बहुत ज़्यादा करीब था, वो उसके बहुत ज़्यादा पास था बीरबल. ओके एवरीवन, I repeat again, Akbar was a Mughal emperor and he was famous for his wisdom and administration. He had many ministers to carry out his administration, but Birbal was the most famous of all. Okay, now next, who founded the Sikh religion? What were his beliefs? Sikh religion was founded by the Guru Nanak Dev Ji. He believed in one God and is highly respected by all Sikh. It means Sikh religion किसने फाउंड किया था? गुरु नानक देव ने सिख रिलीजन को फाउंड किया था. ओके, और ही बिलीव इन वन गॉड, वो खाली एक ही गॉड में बिलीव करते थे. एंड इज़ हाईली रिस्पेक्टेड बाय ऑल सिख, और जो बाकी के जितने भी लोग थे जो सिख थे वो उनकी बहुत ज़्यादा रिस्पेक्ट करते थे. आई होप यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड दिस क्वेश्चन. ओके, now let's move towards the next question. Who was Swami Dayanand? Name the book written by him. Just see, Swami Dayanand was a great social reformer. He was a great social reformer who wants to change the society to make it a better place to live. Who was against social evils like caste system, idol worship and child marriage. वो किसके अगेंस्ट था? social evils, caste system, idol worship and child marriage के अगेंस्ट थे. He founded आर्य समाज. उन्होंने क्या फाउंड किया था? आर्य समाज उन्होंने फाउंड किया था. ओके, सत्यार्थ प्रकाश इज द बुक रिटर्न बाय हिम. Okay, just we'll read once again. Swami Dayanand was a great social reformer who was against social evils like caste system, idol worship and child marriage. स्वामी दयानंद एक बहुत ही बड़े सोशल रिफॉर्मर थे और उन्होंने वो किसके अगेंस्ट थे? सोशल इवल्स, कास्ट सिस्टम एंड आइडल वर्शिप के अगेंस्ट थे. आर्य समाज वॉज फाउंडेड बाय हिम. उन्होंने क्या फाउंड किया था? आर्य समाज उन्होंने फाउंड किया था. सत्यार्थ प्रकाश इज़ अ बुक रिटर्न बाय हिम. उन्होंने कौन सी बुक लिखी थी? सत्यार्थ प्रकाश. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. ओके, लेट्स मूव टूवर्ड द 5th क्वेश्चन. हु वॉज सुभाष चंद्र बोस? What are the slogans for which he is famous? In this you have to write what, that who is Subhash Chandra Bose and for what slogan, which slogan he was famous for. Okay, Subhash Chandra Bose was a great patriot. Patriot means who loves his country and who wants to do something for his country. Who found the Indian National Army? Who found Indian National Army? I told you what we call Indian National Army. Azad Hind Fauj. Okay, and the slogans which he is famous for are Dilli Chalo, Give Me Blood, I Will Give You Freedom and Jai Hind. These are the 3 slogans which were given by Subhash Chandra Bose. Okay everyone, I hope you all understood this question also. Now let's move ahead over the 6th question. Name the well-known cricket player from Haryana who was the captain of Indian team in 1983. I told you na, Kapil Dev was a well-known cricketer from Haryana, was the captain of the Indian team which won the World Cup in 1983. Okay, this means that he was one of the well-known cricket player who has done many things for India. He won the World Cup in 1983. Okay, now I hope you all understood all these questions, and just listen to me that you have to write these question and answers in your fear notebook, that is FNB. Okay, I hope you all understood and you have to complete this work. Okay, now we will move towards the fun zone. See the A part. What is the topic here? Is hard work key to success? Okay, let's discuss about this. That is hard work a key to success? Do you know without hard work we can't do anything, we are not able to achieve anything. So hard work is very necessary for us to get success in life. So hard work is very necessary. Okay, just see, for example, if we will not study, if we will not study in exam, if we will not do hard work in our study, we will able to get pass in the exams. No, it will not possible, because we have not done the hard work. So how it is possible to get success in our exams? Okay, so we have to do hard work to get success in life. Okay, we have to achieve our goals, we have to complete, fulfill our dreams. What we have our dreams, someone wants to get doctor, someone wants to get teacher, someone want to get engineer. Everyone has their own dreams. So if we have to complete or fulfill our dreams, we have to work hard to get success or to achieve our goals in our life. Okay, have you understood? Is hard work key to success? Yes, hard work is a key to success. Okay, brain quest. Guru Nanak Dev was the first guru of the Sikh. Who was the 10th guru? Okay, you have to do it by your own by searching on the net. Okay, everyone, I hope you all understood that you have to do it by yourself by finding on net. Explore your world. Write the names of 10 Sikh gurus. You have to find this from the internet, that who are the 10 Sikh gurus. Okay, second question, name 5 cricketers of India who were captain also. Okay, what you have to do in this, you have to write the name of the 5 cricketers who were captain also, जो अपनी टीम के कैप्टन भी थे और प्लेयर भी थे. Third one, I have given you this one in the activity now, that how many members are there in a team of. See, what you have to do, you have to see and write that how many members are there in a game of hockey, or how many players are there in a game of cricket, basketball and football. Okay, you should just learn and know in your mind that how many players are there in the games. Okay, D1, do it yourself. Which is your favorite game? I have given you this in the activity also, that which is your favorite game. You have to find the names of 5 outstanding players of that game and paste their photographs, pictures in your exercise book. In this I have given you the activity like that you have to write your favorite game and you have to line few lines about that of outstanding players. जो players उसमें बहुत अच्छे हैं उनके बारे में 2 लाइन आपको लिखनी है. I hope you all understood this chapter very well. So your today's homework will be that you have to do the question answers if you're in your FNB, that is fair notebook, and in the fun zone you have to find the group discussion. You have to find not group discussion, second B part, brain quest from the internet, explore your world, question number first and second from the internet. Okay everyone, I hope you all understood this chapter very well. Okay, So everyone just go through the chapter and revise this chapter. Okay, learn their hard words and meanings. Okay everyone. So we will meet in next lecture. Okay everyone. Bye everyone and have a nice and wonderful day.